Hi, in this video, we will go through how you can display your Google My Business reviews on your WordPress website. So, if you have a WordPress website and you have a GMB listing as well, and you're looking to add all your GMB listing reviews on your WordPress website, so this video is for you. I'm using one of my client website as an example to show you how you can display your reviews on your WordPress website. So let's dive into it. So this is my client website, Angel Beauty, and he's looking to add his Google reviews on his WordPress website. So if you have your client website name, simply search it on Google and you will find a feature, GMB feature panel just like that. You just simply scroll down and you just need to find this section which is called reviews. And here is a button called write a review. You just click on this inspect element on this button and here you will see a code. We just need to find one code from here, data/PID. Simply click on data/PID and we just need this code for our website to embed these Google reviews on our WordPress website. Simply copy this data/PID code. After that, navigate to your WordPress website dashboard and simply goes to your plugin section. Click add new. This website is in German, so that's why I'm translating it for you as well. Just type digits for Google reviews. And you will find this plugin widgets for Google reviews from trustindex.io. Please keep in mind that this plugin is from trustindex.io and just click on install now. Once it's installed, just hit activate to activate this plugin on your WordPress website. This is a free plugin, so you could easily embed all your Google reviews on your WordPress website. Simply navigate to that plugin which you just installed and activate. We basically go to our configuration page of our plugin. Simply click on this connect. I'm just translating it for you as well. So a pop-up will appear where we need to place that place ID which we copied from our code section, right? Simply paste that place ID and it will basically find that our GMB listing as well. We just click on connect and it will start connecting that. GMB listing reviews, see that all our reviews are currently integrated on our website. We just need to do some customization to look it more professional on our landing pages. I'm just looking for a very good way. Here we need to select one of our design layout. So I'm just looking for a good layout from here. We would go with, I'm just looking for some good sections as well. Yes, here it is. Yeah, so we would go with that section to customize either the background. So we would go with that. Here you can see that when we do all the customization, so this plugin will provide us a shortcut which we just need to copy it from here, and we just need to go to our landing page. So this is basically the landing page. We just need to remove this section, and we just need to add a new section right over here. And if you're using Elementor page builder, so you could easily find a shortcut snippet, and we just copied all that shortcut which we just copied from that plugin configuration settings, and you will be able to see all these settings from here. Once I will published, then you will be able to see the landing page as well. Let me just hit click as well. Here you will be able to see that code snippet directly integrated from GMB listing to our WordPress website. Hope this will solve all your queries related to how you can display your reviews on your WordPress website. And if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button so that you will not miss any future updates from our channel. Have a nice day.